So good day guys and welcome back to the channel. To those of you that are yet to subscribe to the channel, be it you are new and you've not yet subscribed, guys make sure you do all to click on the subscribe button, like and share. Make sure you make your comments and also make sure you follow the Telegram channel so that once we drop one or two updates, you will not miss out on any single updates. You'll find the link to the Telegram channel in the comment section. Now guys, let's take a look at what we are going to be expecting, right? Let's take a look at what we are going to be expecting for the week on our GBPUSD. So first thing first, we need to know what the trend is. Then we have to trade with the trend. Now, when you pay attention to this movement right here on your GBPUSD, it is very clear. It is very simple. GBPUSD is in an uptrend move. This is the trend right here. We are very much in an uptrend move. Market is very much bullish right here. Now, pay attention to this move. We add this high and here comes the higher low. Market was able to push up again to form a new higher high. This is an higher low. The market then did push up again to form a new higher high. Here comes the higher low. Market then did give us another push up to form a new higher high, and this is the higher low. Market eventually pushed up again to form a new higher high, and here comes the higher low. Market then did push up again to form a new higher high, and this is an higher low. So an higher low is currently playing out. So once this higher low plays out finish, have it in mind that market will eventually push up. So an higher low is playing out, so which I believe has played out finish. By the way, reason is that it has literally come to tap our confluence zone. Now, what is the confluence zone? Our confluence zone is a moving average. As you can see, the market literally pull back to tap this 10-period simple moving average, right? So we will be expecting a rejection that will make market to eventually bounce up, right? That is to tell you that a further movement to the upside is what we will be expecting, right, on our GBP USD. So we'll be expecting that further movement to the upside on our GBP USD, right, by the way. So a bullish move for the week is what we should be expecting. Let's go down, let's go up to our daily time frame. So for a couple of days, right, so this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 for good 5 days straight. Throughout last week, GBP USD was literally bullish. It was very much bullish. So this coming week, we will also be expecting a bullish move. So this is to tell you that more movement to the upside is what we should be expecting on GBP USD. Could there be changes to this prediction? Yes, there could be. But if there will be any changes, I'll make sure I do the updates and let you guys to know. So in order for you not to miss out on the updates, make sure you subscribe, like, and share. Make your comments and follow the Telegram. You'll find the link to the Telegram in the comment section, guys.